Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So it's October and we all know it's the spooky season. So ayoko magpahuli sa mga Halloween inspired nails. So here it is. Yung design na gagawin ko today is I think marami na ang nakagawa nito. And ito yung vampire nails. Gagamit ako ng polygel to make these and gagawin natin siya sa right hand ko. So first, ipupush back natin ang cuticles using a cuticle pusher. And scraping off the dead skin using the opposite end of the cuticle pusher. So marami sa inyo nagtatanong kung bakit ang bilis matanggal ng polygel nails and di siya nagtatagal. One reason kung bakit nangyayari yun ay dahil kulang siya sa prepping. Basically, what I know and what I can do is pushing back the cuticles, scrape the dead skin, buff the natural nails, and if kung meron kang dehydrator and primer, mas maganda. But just so you know guys, I'm not a professional or a licensed nail technician. Ginagawa ko lang yung mga natutunan ko sa mga YouTube videos na pinapanood ko. Some of them are also nail enthusiasts, some are professional trained and licensed. So just a disclaimer here na I'm not licensed and ginagawa ko to sa sarili ko lang. I'm not taking any clients, maybe someday. Kung mabigyan ako ng opportunity na mag-aral and have a license, I would also want that. But for now, I love to do DIYs and share to you guys yung mga natutunan ko rin, base experiences ko, and sa mga natutunan ko rin online. So yung ginagawa ko to further remove the dead skin is gamitin ng nail drill and file within the cuticle area. So hindi to masakit, just make sure na hindi mo siya ilalagay sa iisang pwesto, especially sa skin ng matagal, kasi pwede yun makasugat and burn your nail. Pagkatapos natin gawin yon, ibabuff naman natin yung natural nails. Isa rin to sa makaka-help na dumikit yung polygel nails better. And then, gagamitin natin yung base coat dito sa ating Sassy Magic Gel Polish Set. Itong base coat na to ay di na nire-require ng nail lamp para matuyo. Binili ko to nung una pa lang kasi wala pa akong nail lamp nun, pero since nag-start ako gumawa ng polygel nails, effective siya para sa akin. And gagamit din tayo ng nail forms. Lahat ng links sa mga ginamit kong products will be on the description box below. So in my experience, pag maglalagay ako ng extensions, mas prefer ko na di ganun kaikli yung natural nails para mas madali kumapit yung nail form or nail tips. Lalagyan muna natin ng nail forms yung middle and ring fingers kasi ito yung magsisilbing parang two front teeth ng ating vampire nails. Maglalagay din tayo ng paper towel para may pagpupunasan tayo ng excess slip solution, and of course, I'll be using alcohol as my slip. And ito yung clear polygel na gagamitin natin. Pero since gagawa tayo ng teeth nails, gagawin natin siyang color white. So ito yung white powder na imimix natin sa clear polygel, and I don't have any specific measurements kung gaano karami yung powder to polygel ratio. Tinatansya ko lang siya, pag di pa ganun ka-opaque yung color, dadagdagan natin. Pero don't put too much powder kasi it might be a problem later sa pag-cure. After nun, i-apply na natin siya sa nails. So, yung shape na gagawin natin is a square, pero hindi ganun kahaba, para magaya talaga natin yung shape ng ngipin. And then, i-cure natin siya for 60 seconds. And after that, do the same with the ring fingernail. So off cam, I already shaped the nails para makita ko kung sakto ba sa shape na kailangan nating gayahin. And now, nilalagyan ko siya ng clear polygel sa dulo kasi at first, I plan to make my nails all stiletto, kaya nilagyan ko siya ng clear to finish the whole stiletto look. So, gumawa rin ako ng red polygel by mixing clear polygel and red powder, pero bago natin ilagay yun, maglalagay muna tayo ng white polygel. Ito yung magsisilbi nating fangs, so ito medyo hahabaan natin compared sa naunang dalawa. And then, lalagay na natin yung red polygel sa bandang dulo to create that blood-stained fang look. So, hindi ko muna kinure yung white polygel para ma-blend ko siya ng konti sa red polygel. So I'm gonna do the same thing to my pinky nail. And I also removed the clear polygel sa dulo ng middle and ring fingers kasi parang nawala yung sense niya sa pagiging short square nails as teeth. So that's that. And I also did the same sa thumbnail. And then using this file, i-shape na natin siya. So, I usually show the filing on cam, pero di ko alam if you guys want to see that part or kung mas gusto nyo to only put a short part lang sa filing. So, comment down below kung ano mas gusto nyo. So, after filing, lalagyan na natin siya ng top coat. And then cuticle oil, and that's it. So this is my version of vampire nails, and I really like how it looks. It's different from what I'm used to doing. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. So please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.